up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Treese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Okay, so this unboxing is actually long overdue. I was supposed to been got these products, but I guess, you know, yeah, shit happens, I guess. But I didn't even get a shipping label. I didn't know anything. I didn't know they were sending me anything. I had no idea they still wanted me to do this campaign. And my hair is straight, so that's kind of a dilemma because I am not about to rewash my hair and re-get my hair done. I let them know that I was going to be straightening my hair, and they said, oh, you can do the campaign by the 26th. When the 27th came around, I assumed they wasn't gonna send me nothing, and today is the 28th. I feel like, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna do an unboxing today. So what I got is the Tgin Miracle Repair X. What? Oh, okay. They just have miracle spelled kind of weird. Okay, so this is the Tgin Miracle Repair X Miracle Styling Gel, and it has black castor oil, biotin. Oh, it has black castor oil and biotin. This says a firm hold gel that helps reduce breakage and strengthens hair. I definitely have some breakage at the top. No sulfates, no parabens, lanolin, petroleum, mineral oil, artificial colors, or animal testing. Okay, and this is a gel. Let's go ahead and see what this is smelling like. Okay, so it's it's a light gel. I can see it coming out, but it smells absolutely divine. I cannot wait to style my hair with this, probably in like a month or two. Because my hair is straight and I refuse to re-get my hair done again. Like, you got me fucked up. That's not about to happen, sis. But yeah, so this is the styling gel. Okay, there you go. And then we have the Tgin Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner with black castor oil and biotin. Biotin is really good for your hair. I love black castor oil as well. So yeah, and this has no sulfates, no parabens, no lanolin, no petroleum oil, no mineral oil, artificial colors, or animal testing. And the brand, I do believe, is from Chicago or based in Chicago. And they sent me a cute little card. This just has Tgin, thank God it's not natural. All of their information is at the bottom. And then it says, hey Miracle Babe, can't wait to see the magic you create using your Tgin products. Be sure to tag Tgin Natural in your unboxing and content videos, and we'll show some love. I love them for that. But yeah, I can't do anything with these products right now. Oh, forgot. They sent me a edge brush, which is exactly what I needed. My other one, not sure where it's at right now. But yeah, I like this because I can just... I am not putting edge control on my straight hair. I just think that's dumb because your edges are going to revert unless you have like a wax stick or something, which I don't right now. So I have to go to the beauty supply store and get it like a wax stick. But yeah, this will do for now. I'm not really tripping about edges with my straight hair. But yeah, this works for now. You see how they just naturally just like lay? That's kind of cool. But yeah, I like this brush. Look at that. They're just naturally laying. That is ridiculous. I don't have anything on my edges. But yeah, I want this style to last as long as possible, so I'm not gonna put any edge control or anything like that on my hair. Oh, this is on my hair. This is just my hair straightened. I just dropped. It wouldn't be a Kyla production if she didn't drop something. It just wouldn't. It really wouldn't. But yeah, so this is the brush. Really, really cute. Really nice. It has the thin and then the thick combs at the bottom. Let me see. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. And then these are the products right here. Like I said, I cannot do anything with these until okay, so I'm going to be my hair is straight for my birthday. My birthday is tomorrow, June 29th. And then I'm going to wear this for a month. And then I'm going to Atlanta. My cousin is going to do my hair in August. She's going to re-straighten it. So I don't know when I will be able to get around to doing this, but yeah, it's probably I don't know. But yeah, these smell really, really good. I'm not going to say buy them because I haven't tried them. That's not something I do. I don't say buy anything that I haven't tried my damn self. I feel like that's kind of weird. It's like, you haven't even tried it. Why would you tell me to buy something that you haven't even tried? That's kind of like, that's kind of like, no, we're not doing that. I just got a text message. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you use Tgin's products. Let me know if you have tried this gel or this leave-in. I do have a leave-in by them. It's really, really good. It's the pink. It's, what is it? It is tea. It's like tea tree. No, that's not it. It's tea something. Green tea. Is it green tea? I think it's green tea and something. It's pink, but it's green tea something. I do want to try their rose, the pink one. What is it? Not the rose gold collection, but the pink collection. It's like pink and black. I want to try that as well. So y'all let me know if you tried Tgin's products and do you like them. Like I said, I like that green tea leave-in. It's bomb. They sent me a soap one time too. That's bomb. They sent me some chapstick as well. That is bomb as well. So let me know what you have tried from Tgin and comment down below in the comment section. Did you like it? How'd you feel about it? So yeah, especially these two products too, because I'll be using these. Don't know when, but yeah, I'll be using these. So let me know if you like them and things like that. So peace. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice. Make sure you follow Tgin on Instagram at Tgin Natural. I believe I'm following them on Instagram, and I think they follow me too. But yeah, make sure you, if ever you use Tgin's products, take a picture. If ever you use Tgin's products, take a picture, and they just may tag you. So yeah, so they have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Yeah, that's it. They don't have a Snapchat, but they have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and their website is, thank God, it's natural.com. So yeah, I love how they have the black woman on the cover, and she's not like light skin. Not to say that like light skin girls, I don't know, I just like how she's chocolate cocoa brown. Like, I love that. I don't know. And she's beautiful. Like, I like that, you know, because y'all know a lot of these campaign people be using like lighter skin girls, and it's like, There's nothing wrong with that, but do she always gotta be yellow? You know what I mean? Like, does she always have to be closest to the Caucasians? Can we, you know what I'm saying? Can we get some love? I believe her hair looks straight though. I feel like, I don't know, I don't really mess with that because it's like a natural brand, so it's like, why wouldn't she be natural? But I don't know, I can't really tell. Yeah, her hair is straight. Her hair is straight, but she may be a straight natural like me, but then again, probably not. That may be weave, I don't know. But yeah, this model is beautiful. Love it. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.